Locations impacted include Langston, Hoyle, Mulholland Lake. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Kingfisher County and central Oklahoma until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles northwest of Kingfisher, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Kingfisher. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.